So as a quick look, some key features and test of the AMZtime Solar Bird Bath Fountain. This comes with a bunch of different tips, which will actually spray the water out in a different pattern and fashion and also height if you want it to. It has a built-in little motor on the bottom, and you do not need to plug this in, recharge it, or anything. The actual main surface is a solar panel, which is pretty cool. It comes with these little plastic rods that attach to those little gray pieces that are going to clip onto the foam underneath of the side. You can actually cut them and trim them down if you want it to stay in one place, but we actually like when it kind of floats around and propels itself a little bit in our bird fountain outside. So we'll show that a little bit later in the video, but I just wanted to show putting on the different tips and stuff. Again, you can get a bunch of different flow rates and patterns. And so I just put this in the fountain, filled it up with water, and then waited till it got sunny, came back out, and it was moving and on by itself. Again, you do not have to do anything to turn this thing on. As soon as it feels the sun and gets the sun on that solar panel, it's going to turn on. You just want to make sure the motor is fully submerged in the water. It only needs a few inches of water to actually work, but you can see the different consistencies and the different tips. You're going to have a different result. If you want to get it started, just make sure that it is submerged in the water. You can kind of press down with your fingers on it to make sure that it's fully submerged and that motor gets pumping. And then once it does, it will kind of gradually increase from there. You can experiment with the different tips. This thing is really cool. Again, you do not have to use those little plastic pieces, but you can if you want to hold it in one place. We like having it kind of move and float around, but overall, really fun to have, very cool and interactive, and definitely worth the price in our opinion.